Is the commercial aviation aftermarket really experiencing a renaissance? As we dive into the first quarter reports, the numbers tell a fascinating story. The commercial aviation aftermarket has been on an upward trajectory, with a significant growth spurt in the first quarter. The maintenance, repair and overhaul (MRO) segment, for instance, saw a 12% increase from January through March. This surge was primarily driven by a 15% increase in components and a 12% increase in heavy segments. But not all segments enjoyed the same buoyancy. The engine market, for instance, experienced only a 9% growth. This relatively modest increase is a cause for concern, especially for leading engine manufacturers such as GE and RTX. Despite the strong demand for engines like CFM56 and IAE FE 2500, there are evident challenges in the supply chain and original equipment manufacturer (OEM) support, particularly for legacy engines like the Pratt Whitney GTF. It's intriguing to note that some engine MROs have unused capacity, particularly for CFM56 engines. This might seem counterintuitive, given the high utilization of CFM56 engines, but there are reasons for this. Some engine MROs might be hesitant to sell CFM56 capacity for future periods if they're uncertain about acquiring necessary spare parts. Additionally, they may prioritize flexibility, holding off on selling slots if demand shifts towards other engine types. Here's an interesting twist. As leading OEMs focus more on new generation engine technology, they've inadvertently created a gap in the market. Support challenges for legacy engines have opened up new opportunities for third-party entities in the aftermarket. This shift is likely to benefit the MRO segment, as the continued use of older aircraft fleets will increase shop visits and demand for legacy engines such as V2500, CFM56, CFM6 and PW4000. In summary, the commercial aviation aftermarket is experiencing a period of growth, with the MRO segment leading the way. However, the engine market segment is facing challenges due to supply chain issues and a shift in OEM focus. Despite this, opportunities have arisen for third-party entities to step in and support legacy engines. These shifts are creating an exciting dynamic in the commercial aviation aftermarket, and it will be fascinating to see how this plays out in the coming months and years. Fascinating, isn't it?